So today we will learn how to upload file in Google Form. So this is one of the Google Form of our school. So there is a several part you have to fill it. Now see, first is given your name. This is must, you have to write. I am writing name as well. Now division you have to fill whatever division is given. I have selected B. Now this is your number of questions is given one by one. You have to fill it all the questions. After that you can, after finishing this question, there is a file attachment. You can see the blue link. If you click on this blue link, add file. After clicking add file, this page will open. Now here is option is given upload. This is upload. On upload, here is option is given select file from your device. If you click on this, after clicking on this, you will get several number of options. You can see here camera, album, photos, whatever option is present on your mobile, it will open. After that, suppose you have pick on camera, that will save where? In your album. So you have to click your album, you have to go on your camera. Now several pictures is there on your album, so you have to select whatever picture you want to select. Suppose this is your page you want to submit, this is your answer sheet of your child, so you have to select, you have to click on this. After clicking on this, see here, you can see here file name, image, this number, digit number is given, last digit is here 31 and here is 59. So how you can check this image is proper image, whatever image you want to upload or not? So for checking this, first of all you should know the image name of your current image. Now see here, your image file is 31 and 59. So you have to go to your album, click here. See, now where you can check the image name. Here you can see one is heart shape and other is eye circle. So you have to click on this. After clicking on this, if I click in this eye, you will get this much details. Now see here in the last line, the path is given, where is your image is saved. Now see this digit, you can see here. You can see here image name. So last number is here 31 and here 59. So you can check this image is right or wrong. So go again to your Google Form. See here 31 and 59. That means this file is correct. So after uploading this, you have to click on upload. If you want to add more page, then you have to click on this add more file. and then again same process. Now after attaching this file, you have to upload. Last option is your upload. You have to click on upload. Now this is processing, that means this file, after submitting this file, uploading this file, this type come. After completing this, you have to do submit last part. I have clicked on submit button. See, your response has been recorded. That means your response has submitted. Thank you.